Hey, you guys, it's Omar Delacruz, aka Promoting Pips. And we're back at it with day two of the Top Step Forex Challenge. And as you can see, we actually passed the challenge today, somewhat. Okay. Um, I took a trade this morning and I actually made way more than what their minimum or their maximum for the day was. I think that's kind of a stupid rule because if you're letting us trade with these certain lots and if you use good risk management, like I shouldn't be penalized for that. But anyways, it's part of the rules. I got to do it. It's just for the challenge. No big deal. I ended up making about $2,000 for the day, and so we got over our threshold of 3,000. But I still need about 624 more dollars to officially pass this challenge. But I'm not too worried about that, right? Like $600 is just a little over 1% of this account, so it's no big deal. It's just kind of frustrating that they make this a rule. You shouldn't be held responsible for a trade moving too quick, which is what happened to me this morning. I had no option. I never felt like I wanted to trade to go more against me than what happened to me today, which is weird for my mindset. So, as you can see, it was another Nasdaq trade, right? So we are averaging about $600 a trade, right? $589 every time we get a trade. I got 100% win ratio right now, and we're just tracing the Nasdaq. It's been moving a lot lately, and we've had a lot of news. So we're looking at the calendar for today on this Wednesday. We had some job openings coming out, and we also had the Fed speaking a little bit later, and we had that press conference, right? So kind of moved the market a little bit. But I'll tell you guys what I focused on if we take a look at this chart that I have going on. So what happened is last night we had this push up, okay? And we're in this zone right here, and I'm expecting a move upwards, right? I was looking for a bullish trend. I know there's news. I was looking at retracement for the hourly support, which is this red down here for me. It was bullish last night, even broke a previous high, and I was just looking for some support for the confirmation. So I, was limiting my risk. So what I did was we got in this trade about 7:30, so give or take around when it hit this hourly resistance for me. I saw it broke that previous low, which could have been, a little sneaky move by the banks, right? So saw this move and was like, I'm gonna take a couple buys. And then as soon as 7:30 hit, boom, we had this huge green candle to the upside. Now, if I wasn't trading this on a funded account, right, with the rules that I had, I definitely would have held this trade until my monthly resistance with this strong move breaking the previous high that it had before that it wasn't able to break the day before. So the buys were there. I would have held it. And then again, you can see we moved up a little bit more. This was when the Feds were talking, right? It came back right down to the monthly support and then shot up to the weekly support. And now we're up here in this area. So what I'm looking for is a continuation of this move. And then later around maybe 8 or 9 o'clock, take a short position because we got to come back and retest this weekly resistance. So I'm going to try and look for that move. But as you can see, I mean, it was a pretty clean move. And you can tell, like, if we're looking at the hourly chart, if you look at the hourly chart, I mean, we were due for a retracement, right? So we're in this area. It's breaking, it broke the high yesterday, right? So it looks bullish. We got a little pullback and then a move up. So very clean move. It's very simple, right? Like, don't make trading harder than it should be. The move that I was in was about 3 minutes. So as you can see, we're here and I got $53,534. And then if we take a look at my account report for today, it's going to show you how long I was in the trade, what my profit was, and everything like that. So let's pull this up so you guys can take a look. So I just had one trade today. I was up 1900 bucks, almost $2,000 that I was up, and I was able to secure that profit in about 2 minutes and 54 seconds is how long I was in that trade. Think about that. It's almost $1,000, a little bit, right? About $1,000 a minute, almost, right? That's what I could have made. I just had to exit early because I didn't want to make more than $1,500. But here I am, right? $2,000 in 3 minutes. Okay, so that's the power of forex trading. That's really what I wanted to talk to you guys about, is knowing that you guys have an opportunity to actually make something, right? So I don't know about you. I don't know anywhere else where I can make $2,000 in 3 minutes, right? Pretty incredible. But at the end of the day, you know, I was limited on my risk. I haven't lost a trade. I'm very specific on what I'm trading. And that's the stuff that I teach in my promoting pips, right? Like, I'm going to come out with a couple classes. I got my website coming up. I just want to make sure everything is perfect for you guys, because at the end of the day, I'm watching a lot of these other traders and it's just not it, you know. I'm not saying I'm better than them, you know what I mean, but I feel like sometimes they're not as transparent as they should be. So I want to be super transparent with you guys. Like, it cost me $50 to do this challenge, right? If you can't put up $50 to have a $50,000 account, you need to leave. You need to clock out. No, actually, you need to clock in, because you're not going to be able to clock out, right? So I'm here for you guys. Follow, like, subscribe, do all that. I really don't even care, right? I just want you guys to find value in this, and it's something that I'm very passionate about and that I'm very good at. So I want you guys to be on the same level as me. I don't know about you, but I don't know who could use an extra $3,000 a week, right? That's what you can do on a $50,000 account. It's day 2 and I'm already up 5,300 bucks, right? So I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna drop the mic, right? We'll drop the mic. We'll drop it. Okay, maybe not this one, but follow, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, dislike it. I don't care what you do. Do something, right? Don't leave me hanging. And I'll see you guys in the next one. That's when I'll hopefully officially pass and we can get our live trading account. So promoting pips is out.